Hey, what's up, guys? I was supposed to film doing the test pipes, but I didn't because I'm awesome.
Yeah, I work so hard.
And we got the test pipes off. We're gonna put the motordyne. This is Chris's car. I'm pretty sure you guys remember Chris. The boy, Isaac, Party, Z. And they're already off. We're just waiting for 22 so we could take off that.
Yeah,
So we could take off that O2 sensor.
Yeah, well, he had work today too.
But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. You get Isaac's over here trying to skate for the first time.
I'm over here trying to lose 15 pounds, guys. Wish me luck. Pray for your boy.
Pray for your boy.
POP holding it down.
POP holding it down. Alright, guys. Shake cam. But we got like the hella extensions because this is what we're working with at Isaac's driveway. And we're just putting on the motordyne test pipe. Boom, on that Stillen exhaust. And boom. Trying to get it done.
Yeah.
Before the sun go down. Alright, guys, so we got this test pipe on the driver's side on now. It's pretty straightforward. It's just 2 bolts, 3 bolts at the top by the header.
And Y pipe to the, or the X pipe, whatever.
The Y pipe to the X
Pipe
thing.
thing.
Ow, it hit my knee. I hit my knee right here. On the pinch wheel. Alright, guys, so both test pipes are on.
Go for it.
I'm just gonna turn it on and check it. Make sure it's rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it!
Okay.
See, I'd rather have my car.
There we go. Like it?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
It's all way better than before.
Finally driving out. Yeah, it's down. I want to see this thing take off. I want like this.
Yeah, I know, like there's little kids present, bro.
Oh, is Renee driving?
Bro, I'm about to buy the same setup that your fucking car now. It doesn't sound.
Sounds good.
Sounds better.
Yeah.
Like if you have me,
Oh, good.
It sounds like it goes really fast.
It picks up. Like I
Yeah?
went all the way through 4th gear and hit it with some 4th gear.
Yeah?
I didn't. Yeah. Down this whole fucking.
You can hear that shit from like. Bro, no, hey, but you heard you, and then all you see is just. Choop. I was like, oh shit, this motherfucker just smashing. Yeah, we
Quick.
were zipping, bro.
Now,